direct marketing is dealt with in terms of Section 69 of the Protection of Personal Information. Direct marketing is approaching a person to sell a product or services to them by using their personal information such as their names, telephone numbers, or cell phone numbers, and SMS or email. It is essential to ensure that these practices are conducted lawfully in compliance with Section 11(3)(b) and Section 69 of POPIA. When direct marketing is conducted through unsolicited electronic communication, it is important for responsible parties to first obtain consent to market to them before approaching the data subject with marketing-related information. This means that calling someone, sending text messages or emails without consent is prohibited unless the data subject is an existing customer of the responsible party and other conditions provided for in POPIA is complied with. However, carefully note that even in the case of existing customers, the responsible party must offer them the opportunity to withdraw their consent to be marketed to by means of direct marketing in terms of electronic communication. Direct marketers and organizations must give data subjects reasonable methods to object to use their personal information without strenuous attempts, and these must be free of charge and with no unnecessary formalities. Consent should be voluntary and not in a manner that forces someone to give it or threaten them to provide such consent.